Morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Victoria Romardel saying happy Monday, everyone. Well, today guys, I'm going to show you on how to cook this, what you call quinoa blonde. It says 15 minutes only. So for some of you who does not know how to cook this one, so also guys, if you want to know what is this for, this is Nutri-Score. It will say if the product is a little bit, it's like a guide if it is good or healthy for your body. So from the word itself, Nutri-Score. So this one is A. It means best for your body, or there is not much sugar in there. So if you want to know, there were more informations here apart from the nutritional value. You can see the nutritional value of this food is we will look at the glucids, 61 gram, and the salt is only 0.0 gram, but the fiber is 8 grams. And glucid don't soak is 61, there is 3 grams, 61 gram the glucids, and the sugar is only 3 grams content. So how to cook this one? And the ingredients, these are the ingredients guys. There is quinoa, onion. This is kind of a recipe for this kind of grains, but it's all up to you if you want to cook like this. That is legume curry, and the preparation is like this. This is the instruction how to cut the legume. Immense l'oignon, so you have to remove the skin. Couper les extremities de poivron, so you have to clean up, remove all the head and the bottom of the bell pepper. Ipipinili itaye la share and put it. So you have to cut it in feet de même avec la courgette. So you have to do the same with the courgette, or the how do you call it? Courgette in French, but in English that is I forgot now the English of courgette. Anyway, you can Google it guys. Dong on casserole. It's a kind of vegetables as well. In the casserole, dong on casserole choux avec de l'huile d'olive, fit sur l'oignon quelques minutes. So you have to saute the onion in a hot oil in the pan. Ajouter le quinoa, verser le bouillon de légumes et fit cuire à petit feu. So you have to cook it in a slow tone fire. Put the onion, then put the vegetables, then put the, but under in a low fire guys. Verser le bouillon de légumes. So you have to saute all those prepared legumes that you have cut a while ago. Then in 15 minutes, donc on quinzaine de minutes, puis assaisonner. So you have to put a little bit of taste, like whatever you have, little salt or bouillon. Don on poêle chaud avec l'huile d'olive, fait colorer à feu vif l'été de légumes avec le curry. So while the pan is hot, you have to sprinkle a little bit of the curry, guys. A pansy dosel. So if you have salt, if you want salt, drop a little bit of salt as well. But that's all an option, guys. And dong la même poêle, in the same casserole or pan, without oil, son matière gras, fit colorer les amandes or romion. So do colorer les amandes. So there's also an almond. Okay. Almond, there's also 30 gram there. Oh, I haven't tried this one with the almond, guys. So you have to like shake the pan. Like you have to melange or ukay pa in Bisaya. You have to romyong or mix using your ladle. Melange le quinoa avec les légumes. So now you have to, when the quinoa is cooked, you have to mix it. Melange, it means to mix. Put persil, the persil, sisili, umomong do servi sa podre amon grigi. So it's already cooked. You have to put a little bit of persil, and time to serve. Momong do servi sa podre lamon grigi. So you have to spread a little bit of almond grigi onko. Again, sa podre lamon grigi. So astos de chef, bopobi ingalmo ajouter des raisins secs au moment de la cuisson. Le quinoa pronto chez un peu sucré. So if you want a little bit of taste or sweet taste, you have to put a little bit of raisins. You know, that is dry raisins to have a little taste. So that's a recipe, guys, given to this. But how to cook the quinoa, that's our video about today. So for those of you who haven't tried cooking this kind of quinoa, it looks like this. Some, there were quinoa like it's already mixed. You have to boil water and cook it right away. But this one, different. You have to wash it, guys. There's an instruction again as well here to how to prepare it. So here's the council de preparación. So you have to read this one. This is not the same. Il a dit laver et rincer. So you have to wash it and rinse it. Plusieurs. It means plusieurs fois, many times. So you have to wash it, guys. Rinse it many times. The quinoa, afad, don't leave it. I mean, I cannot read it correctly. Lamentium. Plo igoti. So you have to drain the water, wash it many times, rinse it many times, and drain the water. So on casserole, in the casserole, versi le quinoa. So you have to put the quinoa in the casserole in environ 70 gram per person. So this is it depends on how many person you will eat, but here the instruction is per 70 gram each person, guys. So dong do fois son volume do. So 70 grams, so you have to double the water, no? Son volume do. Bouillon, so it should be boiled water. Sali what is this one? Couvre. So you have to put a little bit of salt, then cover it. Lisi, kui, pundong 12 to 15 minutes. So you have to let it cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Then, my glasses is blurry. Hang on, guys. I cannot read. Okay. La quinoa Qui lor slow germ ilibere. So you will know it is cooked, guys, when there is it was kind of like it will you know, this thing is you can see this is uncooked, but you will know when it is cooked, guys, because there is something that will come out on the top when it is cooked, like a round ring something. So later on I will show you, guys. So if you haven't tried cooking this one, watch this and learn. So then they call it low germ ilibere. Lors low germ ilibere. So I will show you later. Iguti puis service. So you have to like make it dry and before you serve it. So I utilise frua ung salad o shoe ung akompon mo. But if you mix it with the salad, it's up to you, guys, but usually it is cold. Mix it cold. So now we will start making it. Obviously I will wash this one, but the instruction you have to put in a casserole. I will see. We will use this one. Ready, we will wash it beaucoup fois. So this is like a rice. So 1 cup like that. I will not cook a lot today. I usually save this one actually, but today I will throw it. So this is the second time. You will know, guys, the water will become clean too. So this is the third time now. So the water starts to become clear. But I think I need to put water now in the casserole. So already the water is lukewarm with this. So we'll put 2 water. It should be correct, guys. Otherwise the cooking is like not correct. So we need to put this one. So it become clearer now, guys. Starts to clean. It's like a rice too. The only difference, I will drop it in a hot water. So we will put the casserole. By this time, I will not put anything, guys. So back to the kitchen. So nice weather today, guys. Beautiful weather. Good morning. So we're waiting until it is boiling. But I need to finish the draining of this one. So the water is clean and clear now, guys. Waiting it will warm. So it's about to boil now. Ready 5 to 15 minutes from the starting of the boiling point. So,